good news to all of the mothers. It's coming up to Mother's Day, you know, this month. In England, it is Mother's Day, March 26th. It is Mother's Day. I received a couple more copy of my cookbook, and I said, you know what, Pen, I want to give away 2 cookbook for 2 mothers. All right, guys. So this Mother's Day, I will be giving away 2 cookbook of mine. Only thing, as I said before, if I reach 500 likes and 500 comments, I will definitely give away these 2 cookbook for Mother's Day. All right, so this one gonna be Mother's Day giveaway. 500 comments, 500 likes. Thank you so much for watching my show and who also support me. It is amazing. I give away some cookbook for Valentine, and they received it, leave their comments and all these things. The people were so fantastic, they were so happy, and they said, Chef Ricardo, thank you so much, you know what I mean, first class. I will definitely send out this book. No matter where you are in this world, we can send this book to you. Once we reach 500 likes, 500 comments, I will definitely go into the video, pick out 2 of my, you know what I mean, who supporting me, and you know what I mean, send the book to them. You know what I mean, I have a lot of books gonna give away. You know what I mean, coming up to summer, we're gonna give away cookbook for summer, Christmas. So it's a lot of stuff giving away, giveaway from Chef Ricardo. So anyway, so this time we're going to give away 2 copy of my cookbook signed by Chef Ricardo for Mother's Day. So guys, once I reach 500 likes and 500 comments, and I go into the video, look at the comments them, and you know what I mean, see, and I will definitely pick out 2 of my, you know what I mean, fans that will support me right straight through. So I want to say big up all of you guys. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. We work very hard. You know, Chef Ricardo have a 9-to-5 job also, so bear with me. And you know what I mean, I just want to say thank you so much for the support, guys. It's just amazing, you know what I mean. You guys support me so much, and it is fantastic. It is beautiful. It is, you know what I mean. I just want to say one love. We love you all. And you know what I mean, Mother's Day, remember, every mother gonna have to, every mother in this world on Mother's Day have to get that big support, that time, you know what I mean. It's just gonna be a fantastic time, you know what I mean. Happy Mother's Day when it come also from Chef Ricardo and the team again, cause you know what I mean, 26 is just around the corner. It's 2 weeks time. So here it is, and this is from Chef Ricardo. It's for 2 mothers who supporting me. I'm gonna send this book to you anywhere you are in the world. We can send this to you in first class. All right, guys, so happy Mother's Day when it come, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. So Mother's Day giveaway cookbook from Chef Ricardo. Yeah, one love. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Google Plus, and also 500 like, 500 comments, I will be happy. Here it is, giveaway from Chef Ricardo. Mother's Day. See you next time. Bye bye.